Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab M10 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's choose security and location and scroll down to the encryption and credentials. Now at the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it, and if you are really ready to remove all the contents, let's click on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then simply enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your LENOVO Tab M10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.